guys, I'm Abbott, the foreign manager of Borra. I have served the market in Europe and Middle East. Borra company was established in 1995 with a first-class design, production, sales, service team of modern production enterprise. Now, I would like to introduce an innovative product of our company. Vertical pump centrifugal pump. ISD series single-stage, single-suction channel centrifugal pump. It is our company's technical personnel and expert use excellent hydraulic model and IS centrifugal pump performance parameters on the basis of general vertical pump combined design. This product has the advantages of high efficiency and energy saving, low noise and reliable performance. Borra has been engaged in environmental protection by fighting agriculture, irrigation, flood control, drainage, petroleum, chemical, the field of flood equipment development, production and sales. The company promised to grant 1 year and lifetime service. Borra company adheres to the policy of safety, production, quality first, and the concept of integrity, professionalism, lean, and innovation, taking power units and emergency equipment products at the core. All products are designed and manufactured in the strict accordance with relevant standards and specifications, and is a ICBC 3A accredited company. The company has passed the ISO 9001 International Quality Management System certification, CE, NFPA, PICC, and other certificates. Fire pump products through the Ministry of Public Security Fire Products Conformity Assessment Center 3CF certification. Since its establishment, the company has been to customer certification for the purpose. We will continue to provide customers with the most satisfactory quality products and reliable technical services. Borra looks forward to long-term cooperation with you.